హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ క్లాస్. నా క్లాస్ ఫస్ట్ టైం వింటున్నట్లయితే డెఫినెట్గా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ లైక్ చేయండి. నవ్ ఇన్ దిస్ క్లాస్ we will do exercise 9C first bit remaining sums. Now fifth question, if a comma b are two events, then show that p of a divides b into p of b plus p of a divides b complement into p of b complement is equals to p of a. Now take LHS. LHS. Now okay. LHS p of a divides b into p of b plus p of a into the a divides b complement into p of b complement. P of b complement. Now apply here conditional probability. What is the conditional probability? P of a divides b is equals to, we can write this as p of a intersection b by p of b. P of a intersection b by p of b. This is a conditional probability. So here for this one apply the conditional probability. So p of a divides b is equals to p of a intersection b by p of b into p of b plus same for this also apply same conditional probability. P of a divides b complement. Same apply b equals, take here b complement. P of a intersection b complement divided by p of b complement. P of b complement into p of b complement. P of b complement. Here p of b gets cancelled. P of b complement gets cancelled. So what is the remaining? P of a intersection b plus p of a intersection b complement. A intersection b complement. Now we will see what will a intersection b complement. Suppose these two are sets anukondi. This set a, this is b, a and b. So what is b complement? B complement ante other than a, other than b, other than b, and b kaakunda remaining, this is b complement total. This is b complement. Okay na? This is b complement. And what is a intersection b complement? A intersection b complement, total a, total is a. And this is b complement. Intersection part is vastunda manaki, and what is the intersection part? We will get b complement only. And b complement ela raskochu ante b complement is equals to, we can write this as a minus b. A minus b. B complement is equals to a minus b. అంటే b complement అంటే a నుండి రిమైనింగ్ b పార్ట్ మైనస్ చేస్తే వచ్చేది a b complement. అంటే ఇది b complement అంటే a minus b. A minus b అంటే a minus b ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం? సో we can write this as a minus a intersection b. A minus a intersection b. So we can write a minus b, this part as total a minus this part. ఈ పార్ట్ మైనస్ చేద్దాం. సో ఈ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ మైనస్ చేస్తే వచ్చేదే we will get a minus b. So we will get a minus b as a minus a intersection b. So this is b complement. So a intersection b complement is equals to a minus b only. So we can write a minus b as a minus a intersection b. A minus a intersection b. So we can write this as p of a intersection b plus a intersection b as a minus b. P of a minus b. P of a minus b. So we can write a minus b as p of a minus a intersection b. A minus a intersection b. So is equals to p of a intersection b plus p of a minus b is equals to, how can write a minus a intersection b. A minus a intersection b. Both are disjoint. A and okay, a minus a intersection b. Now we can apply probability p of a intersection b plus p of a minus p of a intersection b minus p of a intersection b. Here p of a intersection b minus p of a intersection b will get cancelled, is equals to p of a. This is the RHS. This is RHS. సో హియర్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి ఏ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ బి కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఏ మైనస్ బి. ఏ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ బి కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఏ మైనస్ బి అంటే ఇదే పార్ట్. దిస్ పార్ట్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ బి కాంప్లిమెంట్ అంటే బి కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఏ మైనస్ బికి అండ్ ఏ కామన్ పార్ట్ అంటే ఏ మైనస్ బి వస్తుంది. సో ఏ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ బి కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఏ మైనస్ బి. Now sixth question. A pair of dice are rolled. What is the probability that they sum to 7 given that neither dice shows a 2? So what is given? A pair of dice are rolled. A pair of dice are rolled. If you throw pair of dice, what is the sample space? S is equals to 1 1 1 2 1 3 and so on 1 6 and a 2 1 2 2 and so on 2 6 and so on 6 1 6 2 and so on 6 6. This is the sample space when we rolled a pair of dice. When we rolled a pair of dice, what is the given? What is the probability that they sum to 7? Sum to 7. Let A be the event of sum is 7. Let A be the event of sum is 7. Sum is 7. Sum is 7 means sum of two numbers on the dice. Sum of numbers on two dice. Sum of numbers on two dice is equals to 7. Therefore take A is equals to what are the events? And first die number plus second die number is equals 7 రావాలి. So 1 1 1 plus 1 2 not possible. 1 plus 2 3 not possible. 1 plus 3 4 not possible. So 1 plus 6 is 7. So take 1 comma 6. 1 comma 6. Next from 2 1 not 2 2 not possible. 2 4 2 5 2 5 is possible. So 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. Next 3 3 4 from 4 4 3 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. Next 5 5 2 from 6 6 1 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. This is and now A is equals to 1 6 2 5 3 4 4 3 5 2 6 1. Next what is n of A? N of A is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6. N of A is equals to 6. Here what is n of S? N of S is equals to 36. When we rolled a pair of dice, n of s is equals to 36. What is the event given? Given that neither die shows a 2. Neither die shows a 2. Let B be the event of neither die shows a 2. Neither die shows a 2. Neither die shows a 2 అంటే ఏ టైం మీద కూడా నెంబర్ 2 ఉండొద్దు మనకి. ఓకేనా? దట్ ఈస్ ద ఈవెంట్ బి. బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2 అంటే 1 1. ఓకే, వీ కెన్ టేక్ 1 1. నెక్స్ట్ 1 2. డోంట్ టేక్ 1 2 బికాస్ వీ హ్యావ్ 2 హియర్. ఎందుకంటే 2 ఉంది మనకి. 2 ఉండొద్దు మనకి. ఏ డై ఫస్ట్ డై సెకండ్ డై కూడా ఇక్కడ కూడా 2 ఉండొద్దు మనకి. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. Next with 2 don't take 2 1 2 2 2 3 don't take total row. Next 3 1 3 3 3 2 ఉండొద్దు. don't take 2 because in 3 2 we have 2. So 3 4 3 5 3 6. Next 4 1 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6. Next 6 1 sorry 5 1 5 1 up to 5 5 5 6. Same 6 1 6 3 and so on 6 6. Total events manaki. Total events are 1 2 3 4 5 5 5 is 25. N of B is equals to 25. So N of B is equals to 25. N of B is equals to 25. N of B is equals to 25. Now we have to find A intersection B. Find A intersection B. A intersection B. A intersection B is equals to what are the common elements in A and B? What are the common? 1 6 and 3 4 2 5. We don't have 2 5 here. 3 4. Next 4 3. Next 6 1. So these are common events, common results. A intersection B is equals to n of A intersection B is equals to how many elements are there? 1 2 3 4. N of A intersection B is equals to 4. Now we have to find what is the probability that the sum to 7 given that neither dice shows a 2. Here given we have two conditions, two events. One is sum to 7 and second one is neither dice shows a 2. So given what is given, so it should be occurred in first. So after this happening, so that this event should happen. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఈవెంట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఈవెంట్ అవుతుంది. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఈవెంట్? గివెన్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇది హ్యాపెనింగ్ అవ్వాలి. నైదర్ డై షోస్ ఎ 2. సో నైదర్ డై షోస్ ఎ 2 ఈవెంట్ ఈస్ బి. సో ఫస్ట్ హ్యాపెన్ బి విల్ హ్యాపెన్ ఫస్ట్. సో బి విల్ హ్యాపెన్, దెన్ ఏ విల్ హ్యాపెన్. హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఆఫ్టర్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఆఫ్ బి అంటే బి ఈవెంట్ ఈ కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అయిన తర్వాత ఆ సెకండ్ కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై కావాలి. ఓకేనా? సో దిస్ ఇస్ A divides B. B అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఏంటి? B ఏంటి? నైదర్ డై షోస్ ఎ 2 అంటే ఇది ఫస్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత సమ్ టు 7 కావాలి. ఓకేనా? సో P బై యూజింగ్ కండిషనల్ ప్రాబిలిటీ P of A divides B is equals to P of A intersection B by P of B. P of A intersection B by P of B. So what is P of A intersection B? N of A intersection B by N of S. N of A intersection B by N of S by P of B is equals to N of B by N of S. N of B by N of S. So here N of S gets cancelled. N of A intersection B value 4. How many elements are there? 4. N of B value, N of B is equals to 25. N of B is equals to 25. This is P of A divides B. Therefore probability that the sum to 7 given that neither dice shows a 2 is 4 by 25. అంటే ఫస్ట్ గివెన్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఈ ఈవెంట్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ అయిన తర్వాత సెకండ్ ఈవెంట్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ అవ్వాలి. ఓకేనా? నౌ 7th క్వశ్చన్. ఏ పెయిర్ ఆఫ్ డైస్ ఆర్ రోల్డ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబిలిటీ దట్ neither dice shows a 2 given that they sum to 7. So here given pair of dice is rolled. So what is the sample space? S is equals to 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 and similarly 6 2 1 2 2 and so on 2 6. Similarly 6 1 up to 6 6 1 6 2 6 6. So total we will get 36 results. So N of S is equals to 36. N of S is equals to 36. In the question we have two events. First one is neither dice shows a 2. Take that as A, or this given that they sum to 7. So if we have two events, neither dice shows a 2 one event, sum to 7 second event. So first take this as event A. Let A be the event of sum to 7. Let A be the event of sum is 7. Sum to 7 and sum of 2 dice becomes 7. Sum of 2 dice ఏం కావాలి మనకి? 7 కావాలి. సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఈవెంట్? సమ్ ఆఫ్ 2 dice ఈవెంట్ 7 అంటే ఏదో వస్తుంది మనకి 1 1 1 plus 1 is 2. That is not possible. So take the possible results. 1 plus 6 is equals to 7. So take that result 1 6. Next from 2 to 5 is 6. So 2 5. Next from 3 4 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 వస్తుంది కదా. 3 plus 4 equals to 7. Next 4 3. Next 5 2. Next 6 1. This is event A. Event A is equals to 1 6 2 5 3 4 4 3 5 comma 2, 6 comma 1. And n of a is equals to how many results are there? How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N of a is equals to 6. Now take another event. Let B be the neither dice shows a 2. Let B be the event of neither die shows a 2. Neither die shows a 2. So which shows a result 2, don't take that result. So here B is equals to 1 comma 1, and here 1 comma 2, so we have 2 here. Don't take this result because this result shows 2. Okay na? Next 1 comma 3, next 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. Next 2 1, don't take 2 1, 2 2 because this result shows 2. 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Don't take this total row. Next 3 1, 3 1, 3 2, don't take 3 2, take 3 3. Next to 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 3 6. Next result 4 1, 4, don't take 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6. Next 5 1, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. Last 6 1, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. So this is event B. So n of B is equals to how many elements are there? 25. N of B is equals to 25 because 1 2 3 4 5 5 5s are 25, right? Find A intersection B. Common elements from A and B. What are the common elements in A and B? What are the common elements? 1 6, 1 6, 1 6. Next to 2 5, we don't have 2 5 here. Next to 3 4, we have 3 4 here, and 4 3, and 6 1, 6 1. So we have 4 elements common: 3 4, 4 3, and 6 1. These are 4 elements common. So n of A intersection B is equals to 4. N of A intersection B is equals to 4. Now in the question given 2 events. First event is neither die shows a 2. The second event is given that sum to 7. Sum is 7. So here we have 2 events. So which is happening first? So after happening of this one, because in the question given means first event, it should be occurred first. It should be occurred first. After happening of this event, it should be happened. Second event happened. So what is the first event happening? Sum to 7. Sum to 7 because in the question given. So this is the first event happening. So take P of sum to 7 event is what is the event? A. Event A. So event A should be occurred first. Event A should occur first. A. After that B event. What is the B event? Neither die shows a 2. B event. And ఇది హ్యాపెనింగ్ అయిన తర్వాత B కావాలి సెకండ్ ఈవెంట్. సో P of B divides A. B divides A is equals to, by using conditional probability, P of B intersection A by P of A. P of A. P of A. So A intersection B and B intersection both are same. So what is the probability of this event? N of A intersection B by N of S. N of S by P of A. N of A by N of S. N of A by N of S. So N of S gets cancelled. What is the N of A intersection B value? 4. 4 by N of A value, N of A 6. 4 by 6. So 2 2s are 2 3s are is equals to 2 by 3. This is P of B divides A. Happening of B after happening of A. Now 9th question. An urn contains 12 red balls and 12 green balls. Suppose 2 balls are drawn one after another without replacement. Find the probability that the second ball drawn is green given that the first ball drawn is red. So what are total number of balls? Red balls are 12, red color balls are 12 and green are 12. Green also 12. So how many total balls? Total balls is equals to n of s is equals to 12 plus 12. 12 plus 12 is equals 24. N of s is equals to 24. Now take the event. Let even be the event of drawing. What is the given? Given that the first ball drawn is red and the first ball drawn is in red ball. And adi one తీసుకుందాం. Event of drawing a red ball. Drawing a red ball. This is the event E1. And take E to be the event of drawing a green ball. So right, so what we have to find? P of, we draw 2 balls at a time. 2 balls అంటే ఫస్ట్ 2 balls డ్రా చేయాలి. అంటే ఫస్ట్ బాల్ డ్రా చేసిన తర్వాత సెకండ్ బాల్ వితౌట్ రీప్లేస్మెంట్ అంటే సో we have to find P of E1 intersection E2. We have to select first ball and red ball and green ball. We have to select red ball means E1, E2 means green ball. So we have to select both red ball and green ball. And first a ball select చేయాలి మనం. First ball selected ball is a red ball. So first we have to select red ball. So first by using multiplication theorem, P of E1. First a ball select చేస్తున్నాం P of E1 అంటే red ball. Next second row లో first row లో red ball select చేయాలి. This is event of red ball. Second row లో second ball is green. Second row లో green ball select చేయాలి. అంటే first ball select చేసిన తర్వాత green ball. అంటే P of E2 divides E1 అంటే ఫస్ట్ బాల్ ఏంటి రెడ్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత గ్రీన్ బాల్. P of E2 divides E1 by using conditional property. A total by using multiplication theorem. P of E1 intersection E2 is equals to P of E1 into P of E2 divides E1. ఇక్కడ కండిషన్ ఇచ్చిన మనకి సెకండ్ బాల్ ఇస్ డ్రాన్ ఇస్ గ్రీన్ అంటే సెకండ్ బాల్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ బాల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి E1 తర్వాత E2. P of E2 divides E1 వితౌట్ రీప్లేస్మెంట్. ఇక్కడ అంటే సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన బాల్ పక్కన పెట్టేసేయాలి, మళ్ళీ దాంట్లో ఏదు. ఓకేనా? P of E1 ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ రెడ్ బాల్స్ టోటల్గా మనకి 12 by P of E1 equals to N of E by N of S. 12 by total 24 into ఫస్ట్ బాల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసినాం, రెడ్ బాల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసినాం. నౌ ఛాన్స్ టు గోస్ టు గ్రీన్ బాల్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి టోటల్గా? ఫేవరబుల్ అవుట్కమ్స్ బై టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అవుట్కమ్స్. ఫేవరబుల్ గ్రీన్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? టోటల్ గ్రీన్ బాల్స్ 12 by రిమైనింగ్ టోటల్ బాల్స్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి మనకి? ఎందుకంటే ఒక బాల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసాం ఆల్రెడీ. ఒక బాల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత టోటల్ 24 ఉన్నాయి మనకి. 24 మైనస్ ఒక రెడ్ బాల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసినాం, రిమైనింగ్ 23 ఉంటాయి శాంపుల్ స్పేస్లో. ఒక రెడ్ బాల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత రిమైనింగ్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 23 ఉంటాయి. సో టేక్ హియర్ 23 శాంపుల్ స్పేస్. 23 ఎందుకంటే రెడ్ బాల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత రిమైనింగ్ ఎన్ని బాల్స్ ఉంటాయి? 23 ఉంటాయి. దట్ ఈస్ ద శాంపుల్ స్పేస్. 12 by 23. So do cancellation if possible. 12 ones are 12 twos are 2 ones are 2 6 are. So probability 6 by 23. This is a required probability. 6 by 23. Now 10th question. A single die is rolled twice in succession. అంటే ఒక die 2 times roll చేసాం. What is the probability that the number showing on the second toss is greater than that on the first rolling? అంటే మనం ప్రాబిలిటీ దేని ఫైండ్ చేయాలి? సెకండ్ టాస్ ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ద ఫస్ట్ టాస్. అంటే సెకండ్ డై నెంబర్ ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఫస్ట్ డై నెంబర్. So single die is rolled twice kada. So what is the sample space? S is equals to 2 times roll చేస్తే S is equals to 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6, and similarly 2 1 2 2 and so on 2 6. So 3 1 3 2 3 6. Similarly 6 1 6 2 6 6. Total results are n of s is equals to 36. N of s is equals to 36. What is the event? Take our event. Second toss is greater than the first toss. Let E be the event of. Let E be the event of. Let E be the event of. Second toss is greater than first toss. Second toss is greater than first toss. Second toss is greater than first rolling. First rolling. First rolling. So take the event E is equals to, అంటే సెకండ్ టాస్ నా సెకండ్ ఐ నెంబర్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఉండాలి. సో 1 1 1 1 అంటే రెండు సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి చూడండి. హియర్ 1 2 అంటే సెకండ్ ఐ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఫస్ట్ ఐ నెంబర్. సో టేక్ 1 2. హియర్ 1 3 సెకండ్ ఐ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఫస్ట్ ఐ నెంబర్. 1 4 second I number is greater than first I number. 1 5 second I is greater than first I. 1 6 second I is greater than first I. So what are the results? 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 next to 1 6. From second row 2 1 not possible because first I is greater than. 2 2 not possible, both are equal. Next 2 3 2 3 because second I is greater than first I, and the second I number 3 kada, 3 greater than 2. So ఈ result తీసుకోవాలి మనం. Next to 2 4 4 greater than 2. Next to 2 5. Next 2 6. Next 3 1 3 1 not possible because second die number is less than first die number. 3 2 also not possible. 3 3 also not possible. Next 3 4 3 4 3 5 3 6. Next to 4 1 not possible. 4 2 not possible. 4 3 4 4 4 5. Next 4 5 4 6. Next 5 1 not possible. 5 2 not possible. 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6 possible. 5 6 not possible because second I number is greater than first I number. 6 1 not possible because second I is less than first I. 6 2 not possible. Second I is less than first I. Total 6 6 also not possible. So this is the event E. How many results are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. N of E is equals to 15. N of E is equals to 15. So required probability P of E is equals to N of E by N of S. N of E by N of S. What is the N of value? 15. 15 by N of S is equals to 36. N of S is equals to 36. Do cancellation. 3 5s are 3 1s are 3 12s are 5 by 12. This is the required probability. Therefore a required probability is equals to required probability is 5 by 12. Required probability is 5 by 12. Now 12th question. The probability that a boy A will get a scholarship is 0.9 and that another boy B will get is 0.8. What is the probability that at least one of them will get the scholarship? There are two boys A and B. అంటే ఏకి స్కాలర్షిప్ రావడానికి ప్రాబిలిటీ ఏంటి 0.9 అండ్ ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ బి విల్ గెట్ ఎ స్కాలర్షిప్ ఇస్ 0.8. వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబిలిటీ దట్ అట్లీస్ట్ వన్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ విల్ గెట్ ద స్కాలర్షిప్ అంటే అట్లీస్ట్ ఏ ఆర్ బి. అట్లీస్ట్ అంటే ఏ ఆర్ బి విల్ గెట్ ద స్కాలర్షిప్. సో లెట్ ఈవెన్ బి ద ఈవెంట్ ఆఫ్ take two events. Let E1 be the event of a boy A. Let E1 be the event of boy A getting scholarship. Yes. Take another event. Let E2 be the event of boy B getting scholarship. Right. So given P of E1 is equals to probability of A to get the scholarship is 0.9, and P of E2 is equals to, say, boy B is 0.8 and 0.9. Now we have to find P of E1 union E2 at least by addition theorem. At least ante E1 or E2. P of E1 union E2 is equals to P of E1 plus P of E2 minus P of E1 intersection E2. So what is the P of E1 value? 0.9 plus P of E2 value 0.8 minus P of E1 intersection E2. So getting scholarship of boy A does not depend getting scholarship of boy B. అంటే A స్కాలర్షిప్ రావడానికి ప్రాబిలిటీ అనేది B పైన డిపెండ్ అవ్వదు. Therefore A and B are both are independent events. E1 and E2 are independent events. So what is the definition of independent event? P of A into E1 intersection E2 is equals to P of E1 into P of E2. These are independent events. E1 and E2 are independent events. So substitute 0.9 plus 0.8, 1.7 minus P of E1 value 0.9, P of E2 value 0.8. So 1.7 minus 0.72 is equals to 0.98. This is the probability of getting at least getting one of them. Therefore probability of required probability is 0.98. This is a solution of 12th question.